Good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. Today we're headed down to the beach to visit my mother-in-law and spend the day with the family, celebrating Christmas a week early. And I'm taking you with me. So today's outfit is this Knoxville Rose Sherpa kind of thing. It's nice and loose and cozy. Black pants, high boots. That's the outfit of the day.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can.
Hey guys, happy Monday. Oh wow, I apologize for the shadow in the middle of my face. Parked here outside of work. It's just a little bit before 8:30 in the morning. I don't have to be inside till 9, so I figured I would sit here and make a video for you, because I missed you this weekend. I filmed a little at my mother-in-law's house, which you saw. That was our family celebration for Christmas. We always do it the week before, so this way the whole family could get together without worrying about, you know, a spouse's family or this family, or the week before is always the Ritgers Christmas party. So it was nice. But guess what? I struggled that day. I had the best intentions that morning. I set myself up for success. And yep, I decided to have a dessert, and then I felt really crappy afterwards. Physically. Mentally, I prepared myself. As soon as I had that plate in front of me, I said, oh God, I really don't want to do this, but I really want to do this. And I feel like one little thing is not make or break. But that one little thing led to another little thing yesterday, which was Sunday. And then I could foresee a pattern, so I stopped it immediately. And I am back on today. I mean, this is life, and this happens to some people sometimes. Other people can forge through. I really thought I could, but it was hard. So today I made myself these are like those little to-go cups that I have, the plastic ones that change color. I made a nice strong cup of coffee and put the hot chocolate fueling in there, which was really nice to have on the way here. My ride to work is about 35 minutes or so it was nice to put on some music. I like the 80s, so 80s music from Sirius, and have my coffee with my hot chocolate. And I am in feeling number 1. Back on today. I want you guys to realize, if you're struggling this time of year, please take note. It's not uncommon. So many people have been writing to me, how am I doing this through the holidays and things? And I'm really, really just taking it day by day. Every night before I go to bed, I manifest, I close my eyes, and I see myself at my goal weight. I see myself like being successful. I see myself in, a health mindset, good vibes for my job, and just like all around happy, right? And then when I wake up in the morning before I get out of bed, oh, thank you for having another day. Thank you for being alive. Thank you for being healthy. Stay on track today. You can do it. Like constant reaffirming to myself and making those affirmations. I think it's important. But don't kill everything because you had a slip up or you chose to go off plan. That is what I have been doing notoriously for like a year now. You know, I've been struggling, and I am really trying hard to recognize that if I do decide to have something, or even if I don't, and it's like unplanned and I just cave in, it's really not the end of the world. The end of the world is when you're sick and your health is bad. And that is something that's hard to get back. But when you're healthy and you just have a little bit of a slip up, it's not the end of the world. You have the ability from that moment after you eat it to get right back on plan. It will set you back though a couple days. Like I know I'm not in fat burn right now, which stinks, but I've already made my first, fueling. So I'm getting back into it. So I don't know what weigh-in's going to bring me tomorrow, but it is what it is, and I'll share it with you. I have forgotten to bring my phone in the bathroom the last 2 weigh-ins, so I will bring it in tomorrow morning. And I'm sure it's not going to be a happy one because of all of the sweet treats I've had, but it is what it is. So again, just please don't let the holidays and the festivities and spending time with friends and family or work people or your pets, don't let that mode destroy you. You are special. You are amazing. And you can do this. And I can do this. And we are going to do this together. But sometimes we have a setback. But that also goes with everything. Think about this. Sometimes I guess I could start from the beginning, like when you're a little kid and you're learning to walk, right? We don't just get up and walk. We take steps, we fall down. It's so cute when babies do that. But we have to continue the journey or you'll never walk, right? Same thing with riding a bike. You get on a bicycle when you're a kid, you fall, you crash. Oh my God, it's the end of the world. But eventually, because you keep going, you just take off on that bike. I feel like this eating program you can relate it to something like that. We just keep going. We keep trying. Eventually we'll get there. It's a decision. It's not an easy one though, because it is restrictive. But keep in mind, if you can stay on it and stay focused, the time that it will take to get to your journey will be a lot less if you struggle and stop all the time. I could have been at goal weight a year ago had I just been consistent, but I wasn't, and I deviated, and it's a struggle, but I still feel like I'm making the effort. So this video is really, the ending of this video is really just me telling you that I'm proud of you and to keep going and to manifest, think about, vision yourself at your goal weight. You deserve that abundance. You deserve, and you will have it, but it's you who has to do it. I can't do it for you. I want to do it for you, but I can't. I'm here because I'm doing it with you. We're doing this together. Arm in arm. We are walking it. So what I want to leave you with basically is this. What would Lori do? So when you are going about your day and temptation strikes, could be at night, could be at an event, I want you to take 1 second and think to yourself, what would Lori do? You may say Lori might indulge, but I want you to really, really hear my voice. What would Lori do? Lori would tell you to stay on track. Lori would tell you to stay focused. Lori would tell you you're worth it. Lori would tell you we're doing this together. And everything else that's amazing, okay? I love you guys. I want to see you succeed. And I know you want me to. So I think this is going to be a new week. again, but we are going to do it. And that's really all I wanted to say. So I have to get back inside. It's another week back in the office, and I will see you tomorrow for weigh-in. I love you all, and please don't beat yourself up if you've gone astray, okay? You're worth it, and I love you. I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, guys.